Morning, boys and girls. I have a Pear Deck up on the board for you that you're going to do in just a second. After I do this video, I'm going to explain it first. Okay, so today we will find the missing number, then color the ornaments if they are even or odd by using the number grid, because this helps us understand numbers better. Okay, so looking at my screen, I have these arrows down here and they tell me that I can click this one to go to the next slide. And here is your work for today, okay? Now also notice that I have this icon with you click on and then you click play and you'll hear what I'm saying to you on here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you what to do on here and then you'll get started in just a second, okay? So watch this video, and then you'll click next on Canvas to get to your Pear Deck. All right, so first thing we're going to do is figure out what number is missing in this on this ornament. So we're going to start with 8, and this is an addition problem. We have to figure out what we add to 8 to get to 12. Or you can subtract. 12 minus 8 equals, and then figure out what goes here, okay? But I'm going to add. So I'm going to think 8 plus what equals 12. So I'm going to put my little pointer over here on 8, and then I'm going to count how many times it moves until I get to 12, and that's my answer that I type on this line. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4. So I'm going to click on my T tool, and in here, I'm going to type 4. Okay, and then I can move it around, clicking on that blue outside thing, and I can move it to fit in there. Okay, then I go back. There's two parts to this. We have to figure out the missing number, and then we're going to figure out if these are even or odd numbers. So I'm going to start with 8. I'll go back to I think I'll do the highlighter, because then I can, go ahead and use the highlighter tool, because then you can see the numbers underneath it, okay? And the directions right here say color the even ornaments green and the odd ornaments red. So if 8, I'm going to look here, 8 is an even number. I know 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are even. So that one gets to be green. I'll color that in. Okay, and then 4, again, 4 is even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even, so I'm going to color that in green. And then 12, well, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even, so that one would be green as well. All those are green. Cool. Okay, so now this next one, what plus 5 equals 9, or 9 minus 5 equals what? But I'm going to do what plus 5 equals 9. So I'm going to put my finger on 5, count how many hops I make until I get to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going back to that T tool, clicking where I think I'm going to put it. I'm going to type in 4, and now look, I'm going to put my mouse on the outside of that blue, and that makes it highlighted, and then I can click it again. Oopsies, click it again and move it anywhere I want. So I'll put it right inside that circle, and then go back to the highlighter tool so that we can see your numbers underneath. Now we have to figure out if they're even or odd again. So 9, I'm going to look at 9. Oh, 9 is odd. Yay, I get to use red this time. I'm going to color that in red. Okay, and then 4 is even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So I'm going to color that in green. And then 5 is odd. That one's red too. Okay, and then listen to the audio on here. Make sure you're listening when you go to your Pear Deck, because that tells you, I do like a couple more of these with you, and then you'll have a couple to do on your own. So make sure you're listening to that so you get the right answers at the together part, because you should, since we're doing it together on here, okay? Once you have this whole page done, then you can click the next button, and you're going to do this fun Elf Edition page. And we know it's kind of tricky to do on your laptop, coloring to make it look beautiful, but just try your best on it, okay? It's going to be kind of fun. If you can't read a problem, go ahead and just do the ones around it that you can read and leave those blanks, because those are a little bit hard on my screen, and my screen is big. So if you can't read it on yours, that's okay, guys. Don't worry about it, but do the ones that you can read, okay? We hope you have fun with this fun Christmassy holiday activity. And we love you, and we miss all of you.